Webull, an investing platform for beginners. That's probably not the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Webull, right? So I guess if you're unfamiliar with Webull, nothing comes to mind. For all you know, Webull could be a traveling, otherworldly rodeo circus where ghostly cowboys ride spectral Webulls, massive eight-legged beasts that gallop across glowing web-like tightropes, and performers juggle flaming lassos while reciting cryptic prophecies about the audience's future. I'm not saying that's exactly what you're thinking, but it could be. I don't know. For real though, with its diverse investment products, advanced charting capabilities, and deep analytical tools, Webull offers professional-grade trading specifically for retail traders. Even Webull says it's not the place where people come to first learn about investing. Despite all this, can beginners set up shop at Webull and be satisfied? Yeah, they can. Here are the features that make Webull suitable for beginners. There isn't much to say here other than Webull offers zero commission trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, and charges no per contract fees for equity options. Most brokers don't charge for stock and ETF trades, so Webull isn't unique here, but it's something that we can't not mention, especially if you're a beginner unfamiliar with trading costs. For beginners without a lot of capital, Webull's fractional share trading lets you invest in stocks and ETFs with as little as $5. This makes owning portions of high-price securities easier because you don't need the entire share price to invest. So if you want to invest in a stock like Netflix, which is trading at around $1,100, you don't need $1,100. You can invest with as little as $5. And then you own $5 worth of Netflix stock. For beginners who want a portion of or their entire portfolio managed on their behalf, Webull offers a robo-advisor called Smart Advisor. Just like other robos, it creates and rebalances a personalized portfolio of ETFs based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. And it's available for general investing through a taxable account or retirement investing through a traditional or Roth IRA. Its robo-advisor offers several portfolios, including a tax-aware option that minimizes after-tax returns, a portfolio that offers access to alternative investments like real estate, and another portfolio that offers Bitcoin exposure. Mind you, all this is through ETFs. Smart Advisor has a $100 minimum and charges 0.20% annually on your account balance, which is slightly below the 0.25% you typically see with robo-advisors. However, Webull does offer a free introductory period for new clients for the first 3 months. Paper trading is a feature that lets you practice trading and investing with simulated money. So it's a risk-free environment which can help you learn the platform and test strategies without financial loss. Since successful stock picking is really hard, even for the pros, I think it's an underrated feature, especially for beginners, and not every broker offers it. Webull gives you $1 million in simulated funds that you can use to practice trading and investing before using your own money. Beginners looking to make their money go further should also find Webull's cash management feature appealing. Webull's cash management feature lets you earn up to 4.1% APY on your uninvested cash, which is automatically swept into Webull's partner banks where it is FDIC insured, just like with a regular savings account. That means if you hold cash in your Webull account that you're not ready to invest, it isn't just sitting there passively earning nothing. To get the 4.1% APY though, you do need to join Webull Premium. It's a subscription service that offers various enhanced benefits and financial tools. Webull Premium is $3.99 per month or $40 per year when you pay annually. Without Premium, you earn 3.75% APY, but your net account balance must exceed $25,000. If it's below $25,000, you earn just 0.50%. To compare, Robinhood offers 4% APY for gold members, and non-gold subscribers get just 0.01% APY. With Webull Cash Management, you can also earn interest on your uninvested IRA cash. It's much lower at 0.1% APY, and that's for both premium and non-premium members. However, not every broker lets you earn interest on your uninvested IRA cash. Lastly, an IRA match can be a game changer for beginner retirement investors. Not only does it encourage contributions, but it also accelerates retirement savings through compounding. Webull offers a 1% IRA contribution match to non-premium users and a 3.5% match to premium members. So a $7,000 contribution, which is the 2025 maximum, earns you $245 if you subscribe to premium or $70 if you don't. Premium subscribers also get a 3% IRA transfer match. So transfer $10,000 from an existing IRA and earn $300 with Webull Premium. You've got to keep premium for at least a year from the time of the contribution and keep the contribution in a Webull IRA for at least 5 years to keep the match. Wrapping up, while it's known for its advanced trading and deep analytical tools, Webull offers several notable features that also make it suitable for beginners. I hope this helped you beginners out there, and if it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on market news, trading tips, and broker comparisons. And if you want some free stocks from Webull, there's a link below. Now I'm gonna have dreams about ghostly cowboy rodeo circuses.